This video will show you how to find textbooks in course reserves at the DVC Library. From the library homepage, look for the link labeled Textbooks. You can search for your textbook in a few different ways in OneSearch, using the title of your book, using the number of your course, or using the last name of your instructor. Pay close attention to the edition and/or publication year of the textbook listed in your class's syllabus. There are often changes as new editions of a book come out, so it's not guaranteed that an older edition will work for your class. If you're in doubt, check with your instructor. So how long can you have the book for? What does course reserves mean? In most cases, this means that the books can only be checked out for up to 3 hours, and they have to stay here in the library building. There are a few exceptions. We do have multiple copies of certain textbooks, and these might be available for up to 1 week, or in some cases for the entire semester. You'll need to sign into OneSearch with your Insight Portal username and password in order to see the loan details for textbooks. If you're having trouble finding your textbook, or if you need help identifying which is the correct edition, ask a librarian. We're happy to help you in person or by phone, text, email, or 24/7 chat.